Hi, I'm Janelle and I am the Education and Artistry Executive for Kendo. Today we're partnering with Fenty Hair and we're taking all the team through all the Fenty Hair products and introducing our Pro Scheme, which is essentially where students can get 30 and 40% off Fenty Hair and beauty. Specifically for Fenty Hair, not a lot of people know that it's made for everyone, so it's really important that to come here today to let the team be inspired by all of the products and actually be able to try and use it themselves. So yeah, I'm really happy that they've all been able to get their hands on it today. Everyone has been loving the hair mist today. It came today full size and now I think it's going to be empty when I take it home. And the main thing is just how can it be for everyone. So being able to see it in loads of different hair textures today has really allowed the team to understand hair is hair. So that has been re-announced in today's session. Beauty is like $1 billion industry, so there's space for you here. Make sure that you take time. If you want to learn about beauty, there's definitely going to be space. Girls, guys, we all love to look beautiful, so you've got hair, you've got makeup, you've got lashes. The world for beauty, I think, is endless, and I don't think it's going to close anytime soon. So if you want to study, come to LCBT.